Hi. Thanks for coming today. I have a Commodore 64 and no documentation. Nothing at all. And the SID chip is missing. So the 64 will work without a SID chip. Ooh. But that doesn't look good. Sorry, just a... What is that? Alright, the first time I turned this on, a blue screen appeared. And now, Zippo. Well, we'll put in a dead test. See if it does anything. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. It does nothing. Well, this, hello again, Sheldon, is somewhat not surprising. Because a lot of the versions of this board that I have tinkered with have done much the same. Not much. So just because I can, and I have one here, and I will get my glasses. I will, oh yeah, that was good. I got that lined up right off the end of the socket. So I have a SID chip. I will put it in. This should make no difference. And it makes no difference. Well, this is good. I mean, it's not good. But what's nice here is this board, which probably had the big shield over it. Whoa. Probably means that all the chips are socketed. Now the one thing I'm just going to do, because we did actually find one bad 8701 chip, is I'm going to take out the 8701 chip, which is a support chip for the video chip of some description. I'm going to try again. Do I think it's going to make any difference? No. And does it make any difference? No. So, well, I'm going to do something once again a little different. I'm going to take out the PLA chip. I'm going to take another PLA chip. And I'm going to put it in. Why? Because PLA chips like to fail. Will it make any difference? Yes, it will. Alright. Woohoo! Wow. That's a good feeling. It's a miracle. Well, put in the dead test cartridge. And see what happens. Well, this too would be an excellent opportunity for a test board because everything's in sockets. Yeah, I'm going to put that over there. This, I'm suspecting, is the bad PLA chip. I'm just looking around the board anything else? Any dust bunnies? A lot of the chips still have their goop from the shielding, which of course I don't have the shielding here. But so be it. So we are waiting to hear if the SID will sing. My SID chip supply is dwindling because I have been finding machines that work that need SID chips. So be it. Alright. Soon we will hear the SID chip. And by the way, I know the SID chip is good. I do. So let's see if this machine is happy with it.
That was easy.
Well, look at that. So we have a PLA chip in the bag of bad chips. We do. Well, sometimes when there's nothing else to do, do nothing. So, but this machine, it did have absolutely, yeah, there's some screws, not as many as there should be, but it had no documentation, so I had no clue. December 2019. Works. PLA was that SID missing. Replaced. All good. Okay, so as I say,
That was easy.
thanks for coming. Remember, it's funny, a fellow just sent me a spreadsheet of things to try and things to try, and I've looked at it, but I really haven't been referring to it. But when it comes to the 64, the very first thing, if you've got a dead one to try, is the PLA. Every single time. Does it mean it's the right? Does it mean it's the chip that's broken? No, not at all. But they did fail. A lot. They did. So, another 64 for the good pile. Thank you for coming.